Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
So today I welcome you all and I am starting a new exercise of chapter 4 simple equation, and it's exercise 4.3 we are going to study today. And in this exercise we are again going to solve the equations. The very first question, as you can see that it is quite same as we studied in exercise 4.2, that solve the equation. So here the question is again repeating, solve the equations, but these are the equations are different from exercise 4.2. So let's start solving them. The very first equation we have given is 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. To solve this equation we need to remove first of all this 5 upon 2 from left hand side to right hand side. As you can see that this 5 upon 2 is positive. So when we shift this 5 upon 2 from this side to this side, it will be in minus form. 2y will remain 2y equal 37 upon 2, but this plus a 5 upon 2 will become minus 5 upon 2. We will take now LCM 2 and 2. The LCM of 2 and 2 will remain 2. So the LCM is 2. After that we will write here 2y as it is given, then equals to, after that LCM is 2. Now we will divide this LCM 2 by this one 2. 2 ones are 2. One time we can cancel this 2 by this 2 by one time. Then this one time will be multiplied by 37. That is 37 ones are 37. After that minus sign is given here. So we will put minus sign here. And now we will divide this 2 by this 2. Again we will have 1 as 2 ones are 2. So we will multiply 1 by 5. 1 5 is a 5. Now subtract 5 from 37. 37 minus 5 will give 32. So 2y will remain 2y, equals to will remain equals to, and 37 minus 5 will become 32, and upon 2 will be upon 2. Now we will remove, as you can see that this 32 is dividing by 2. So let's divide it by 2 as in the form of division, 32 and here 2. So 2 ones are 2, remainder will be 1. Now 2 is here, so 2 6 are 12. So we divided 32 by 2 16 times. So 2y will be equals to 16. As you can see that 2y equal to 16. Now we will remove this 2 from left hand side. As you can see that 5 upon 2 was in positive form, so it became in negative form. But this 2y, there is no sign between 2 and y, so this 2 is in multiplication form with y. So when we shift this 2 from this side to this side, it will become in a division form. So y will be equal to 16 upon 2. Now divide this 16 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So the value of y will be 8. It is your answer. Now let's move to its part number B, taking another example. A upon 5 plus 3 equals to 2. As we did in earlier question, we will again remove this positive 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So A upon 5 will be equal to 2 and minus 3. This positive 3 we will write after this 2 minus 3. When we subtract 2 minus 3, we have resultant 1. But this 1 will be of minus, because as you can see that plus 2 is smaller and minus 3 is greater number. So when we subtract 2 minus 3, or we can say that when we subtract 3 from positive 2, we get minus 1 as our result. So a upon 5 will be equal to -1. Now we will remove this 5 from left hand side to right hand side. As you can see that it is in the division form, so it will go in multiplication form. So the value of a will be -1 into 5. That is 5 ones are 5. So the value of a will be -5. Here is only one minus, so your answer will be in minus form. Let's take another example, part number C of it. Part number C of it is 5 upon 2x equal to 10. As you can see that there is nothing with plus sign or minus sign. So first of all we will remove this 2 from here. 2 is in the division form, so it will become in multiplication form, and 5 and x will remain here. So 5x equal to 10 into 2, 10 2s are 20. The value of 5x equal to 20. Now we will remove this 5 from left hand side to right hand side. It is in the multiplication form, as there is no sign between 5 and x. So 5 will be in the divisional form. The value of x will be 5 ones are 5 and 5 4s are 20. So the value of x is 4 here.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडुफन क्लासेस। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।